Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one and my family. Chapter Vishnu. Om Namo Narayana. World knows him with the name Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. Not this, but the infinite universes or the multiverse. The one who came to earth 9 times as incarnations to restore the dharma, righteousness. In Bhagavad Gita, he says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyuttanam dharmasya tadatmanam sujamyaham परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवानि युगे युगे, which translates to whenever virtue subsides and wickedness prevails, I manifest myself to establish virtue, to destroy evil, to save the good. I come from yuga to yuga. Vishnu Bhagwan, Lord Almighty, is said to be resting in Shir Sagar, ocean of milk, upon the great snake Sheshanag. From his belly comes out a lotus flower, an abode of Bhagwan Brahma, who is known as the creator of the universe. On his feet resides Ma Lakshmi, goddess of wealth. The pose in which he rests is also called as Anantasana, meaning the sleeping pose. He has 4 hands, symbolizing 4 different duties. Sudarshan Chakra, disc. It symbolizes in destroying evil and maintaining cosmic balance. Conch shell, Pajanya. It is said that conch symbolizes in the creation and awakening of the universe. Kamodaki, the mace. It depicts the strength of the Lord and overcoming obstacles. Padma, lotus. A lotus flower symbolizing purity, beauty and enlightenment. The incarnations. It is said that time has been divided into 4 yugas, phases. The first one being Satyug, age of truth. Second is Treta, the age of Rama and Ramayana. The third is the Dwapar, age of Lord Krishna. And the fourth is the Kali Yuga, the current age, age of darkness. The 10 incarnations or the Dashavata, which happened in these 4 phases, were: the first one was the Matsya, the fish, saved the first man Manu and the sacred Vedas during the great flood. Kurma, the tortoise, supported Mount Mandara during the churning of the ocean, enabling the gods to retrieve divine treasures. Varaha, the boar, rescued the earth goddess Bhudevi from the demon Hiranyaksha, who had submerged her in the cosmic ocean. Narasimha, half man, half lion, appeared to protect devotee Prahlada and destroy the tyrant Hiranyakshipu, who defied both gods and nature. Vamana, the dwarf Brahmin, humbled the demon king Bali with 3 divine steps symbolizing the restoration of balance and humility. Parashurama, the warrior sage, eradicated corrupt Kshatriya rulers and upheld the dharma through divine retribution. Rama, the ideal king, embodied virtue, dharma and kingship. His life and values are immortalized in the epic Ramayana. Krishna, the divine strategist, guided the Pandavas in the Mahabharata, delivered the Bhagavad Gita and redefined devotion, love and karma. Buddha preached compassion and non-violence, often seen as a response to ritualistic excess and social imbalance. Kalki, the future warrior, yet to appear, he will arrive at the end of the current age, Kali Yuga, to destroy darkness and restore happiness. So the Lord came to earth to establish the dharma time and again, and he shall do so again. As there will be time when adharma shall reign for few moments, but after every dark night becomes a sunshine, so shall he come forth to establish Dharma again. Jai Sanatan, Jai Shri Hari Vishnu.